Ladies and gentlemen, today we stand at a historic moment in the world of cricket. After 41 long years, the Asia Cup final has once again brought together two of the greatest rivals in sports, India and Pakistan. This is not just a match. It is a reunion of history, passion and emotion that transcends boundaries. When India and Pakistan meet on the cricket field, it is more than just bat and ball. It is a spectacle watched by millions, a moment of pride for nations, and a celebration of a rivalry that has stood the test of time. For 4 decades, fans on both sides have waited to see their teams clash in the grand finale of the Asia Cup. And now, the wait is finally over. This match is more than cricket. It is about memories, hopes, and the unbreakable bond the game has created between two nations. Let us look at 6 key points that define this remarkable occasion. It has taken over 4 decades for India and Pakistan to face each other in the Asia Cup final again. This long wait has added to the anticipation, making the match not just a sporting event, but a once-in-a-generation experience. The weight of history makes this clash even more powerful. The India-Pakistan rivalry is unlike any other in sports. It is fueled by passion, pride, and a deep sense of identity. Every run, every wicket, and every moment on the field carries emotions far beyond cricket. This rivalry unites fans in their love for the game, even while dividing them in their loyalties. While politics may divide, cricket often brings people together. Matches between India and Pakistan remind us that sport has the power to cross borders and heal divides. The final is not only about competition, but also about respect, admiration, and the spirit of fair play, play. For the players, this match carries immense pressure. Millions of eyes are on them, expecting nothing less than perfection. Every player knows that a single performance can turn them into a hero or a legend. The weight of expectations is both a challenge and a motivation. From Sharjah to World Cups, India and Pakistan have given fans countless unforgettable moments. Each match has written a new chapter in cricket's history. The Asia Cup final, after 41 years, is another chance to create memories that will be cherished for generations. This final is not only about winning or losing. It is about celebrating cricket, culture, and unity through sport. Fans from both sides will sing, cheer, and hope, creating an atmosphere that the world will watch in awe. This is a festival of cricket that goes far beyond the scoreboard. It is not often in the world of sports that a single match carries the weight of 4 decades, but this Asia Cup final between India and Pakistan does exactly that. For 41 long years, cricket fans have waited for this moment, a moment where history, rivalry, and passion converge on the biggest stage of Asian cricket. Think about what has changed in these 4 decades. Generations of players have come and gone. Cricket has evolved with new formats, technology and strategies. Yet the desire to see India and Pakistan battle in an Asia Cup final remained unfulfilled. For older fans, this match brings back memories of the past, reminding them of the golden era when cricket was played with grit and raw passion. For the younger generation, who have only heard stories of those iconic encounters, this final is an opportunity to witness history being written before their very eyes. The number 41 is not just a statistic. It represents years of anticipation, years of debates between friends and families, years of reliving old highlights, and years of waiting for destiny to bring these two teams face to face in the final once again. This long gap has made the occasion even more dramatic and emotional. It's not just another cricket match. It feels like a reunion of two old warriors finally standing across each other on the battlefield after decades, ready to give everything for their nation's pride. Every ball bowled, every stroke played, and every roar from the crowd will carry the weight of those 41 years, making this final one of the most significant chapters in the history of the Asia Cup. When we say that India and Pakistan are meeting in the Asia Cup final after 41 years, it is not just a number on a timeline. It is a symbol of patience, anticipation, and the remarkable journey of cricket itself. Imagine, when the two sides last met in an Asia Cup final, the cricketing world was entirely different. There was no T20 format, no decision review system, no floodlit extravaganzas dominating television screens. The world watched through grainy broadcasts. Yet the passion in the hearts of fans was just as fierce as it is today. Over these 41 years, countless tournaments have come and gone. We have witnessed India and Pakistan in fiery duels at World Cups, in Champions Trophy battles, and in nail-biting bilateral series. But the Asia Cup final, this very stage, where Asia crowns its best, remained incomplete without the clash of these two titans. Fans spoke about it in conversations, journalists wrote about it in their columns, and every passing tournament built more anticipation. When will India and Pakistan meet again in an Asia Cup final? This gap also tells a story of how unpredictable and competitive cricket in Asia has been. Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, and other emerging teams have fought their way into finals over the decades, shifting the balance of power and proving that cricket in Asia is not confined to just two giants. Yet, in the hearts of millions, there was always the hope of seeing an India-Pakistan final, because nothing compares to the electricity that such a match generates. And now, after 4 decades of waiting, the stage is finally set. The fans who once watched Imran Khan, Kapil Dev, Javed Mayandad, and Sunil Gavaskar now see a new generation of warriors. Virat Kohli, Babar Azam, Rohit Sharma, Shaheen Afridi, carrying the dreams of their nations. The baton of rivalry has passed from one era to another, but the essence of the contest remains the same. For the fans, this final feels like a story that began in the past and is now being continued by a new cast. Some who witnessed the last final are now grandparents, watching this one alongside their grandchildren, reliving the excitement and telling stories of the old battles. This 41-year wait is not just a sporting statistic. It is an emotional bridge between generations of cricket lovers, linking the past, present, and future through one unforgettable occasion. The rivalry between India and Pakistan in cricket is not just about runs, wickets, or the final score. It is about emotion, identity, and pride that transcends the boundaries of sport. When these two teams step onto the field, it feels like more than just a game. The intensity is unmatched, the pressure is overwhelming, and the atmosphere is unlike anything else in the sporting world. For decades, the India-Pakistan rivalry has been celebrated as one of the greatest spectacles in cricket. It is a rivalry that has no neutral ground. Every ball, every over, every decision is watched with bated breath by millions of fans across the globe. The cheers in the stadium, the chants in the streets, and the energy that flows through homes and neighborhoods create an atmosphere that resembles a festival, even though it is a contest. What makes this rivalry so special is its unique combination of history, passion, and unpredictability. Unlike other sporting rivalries, an India-Pakistan match is never predictable, regardless of rankings or form. A single delivery can change the entire narrative. A single six can silence a roaring crowd or send it into wild celebrations. The drama of these encounters has produced unforgettable moments. From Javed Mayandad's last ball 6 in Sharjah to Sachin Tendulkar's fiery innings in the 2003 World Cup, to Virat Kohli's magical knock in T20 World Cup 2020 to us. These aren't just cricketing highlights. They are memories etched into the collective hearts of both nations. Beyond the game itself, the spirit of rivalry also reflects the deep pride of the people. For Indians and Pakistanis alike, this is not just about supporting a team. It is about representing a nation's hopes and dreams. Victories are celebrated like national festivals, and defeats are mourned like personal losses. The emotions are raw and real, because for millions of fans, this rivalry is a matter of identity, passion, and belonging. Yet, what makes this rivalry truly powerful is not only the competitive fire but also the respect it brings. Players on both sides often acknowledge the special energy that comes with playing against each other. Despite the high stakes, there are handshakes, smiles, and moments of sportsmanship that remind us that at its core, cricket remains a unifying force. The rivalry may divide fans in loyalty, but it unites them in their love for the game. The spirit of India versus Pakistan is more than rivalry. It is an emotion that lives in the hearts of millions. Every contest is a story, every clash is history, and every moment is a reminder of why this remains the greatest sporting rivalry in the world. The India-Pakistan rivalry is not just another cricketing contest. It is an event that carries the weight of culture, emotion, and history. It is often said that when these two teams play, the world pauses to watch. Unlike many sporting rivalries defined by geography or competition, this one is deeply rooted in identity. Every clash becomes a stage where national pride is tested, where every cheer echoes across borders, and where every silence carries the weight of expectation. The spirit of this rivalry is unique because it does not begin and end with the match itself. It starts days before, in the minds of fans and media who build anticipation, and it continues long after the final ball has been bowled. Conversations in tea stalls, debates in offices, family gatherings in living rooms. Everything revolves around the question, who will win this time? The match becomes more than entertainment. It becomes an emotional experience shared by millions across generations. There is something magical about the atmosphere when India and Pakistan meet. The stadiums are not just filled with fans, they are filled with emotions. Every run scored is celebrated like a festival. Every wicket taken is mourned like a loss. And beyond the stadiums, in cities, towns, and villages, televisions and radios bring people together, uniting entire communities for a few hours of collective joy, tension, and drama. The rivalry transforms ordinary moments into extraordinary memories. What amplifies this spirit further is the unpredictability of these encounters. Rankings, statistics, or past records often fade in significance. A team in poor form can suddenly rise to the occasion, and an underdog player can turn into a national hero overnight. The rivalry has a way of creating legends. Players like Mayanda, Tendulkar, Afridi, Tony, Kolai, who etch their names into history by performing under the immense pressure of these contests. And yet, within this fierce rivalry lies an unspoken bond of respect. The world has often seen moments where the heat of competition gave way to humanity. Players consoling each other after losses, exchanging smiles, or even sharing laughter off the field. For these moments remind us that while the rivalry is intense, it is also a celebration of the love both nations share for the game of cricket. This spirit of rivalry is, in many ways, timeless. It has survived changes in cricket formats, shifts in political climates, and new generations of players. The intensity never weakens. It only grows stronger with each encounter. For fans, this rivalry is not about statistics or records. It is about emotions, identity, and memories that last a lifetime. Cricket has always been more than just a sport between India and Pakistan. It has been a rare bridge connecting two nations that share history, culture, and emotions, yet often stand divided by politics and differences. When these two teams face each other, something extraordinary happens. For a few hours, the focus shifts from conflicts to competition, from divisions to the drama of the game, and from politics to pure passion. The cricket field becomes a neutral ground where players and fans alike are reminded that, beyond borders, there is a shared love that binds the people together. The magic of cricket lies in its ability to touch hearts on both sides of the border. A six, a catch, or a brilliant spell of bowling can spark joy not just in one nation, but admiration in another. Players who perform well against the toughest opposition often gain respect even from rival fans. For instance, Indians have applauded the brilliance of Wasam Akram and Shahid Afridi, just as Pakistanis have admired the artistry of Sachin Tendulkar or Virat Kohli. These moments of mutual respect show that cricket has the power to humanize the rivalry and foster admiration across boundaries. Cricket also brings shared experiences. In both nations, entire families and communities gather around television screens or radios, united by the excitement of the match. The emotions may differ, one side celebrating while the other laments. But the act of watching, hoping, and feeling together is strikingly similar. In that similarity lies a reminder. Despite the differences, people on both sides are driven by the same love for the game, the same thrill of competition, and the same desire to see their heroes succeed. On the field, too, cricket has given us glimpses of unity. The handshake before the toss, the friendly banter between players, or even a moment where one player checks on an injured opponent. These small gestures carry deep meaning. They remind fans that at the heart of this fierce contest lies respect, sportsmanship, and humanity. Cricket, in this way, becomes a mirror reflecting what is possible beyond the game: cooperation, understanding, and even friendship. Over the years, matches between India and Pakistan have served as cultural festivals in themselves. 4. They transcend sport, becoming global events where millions tune in, not just to see who wins, but to witness history and to feel connected to something larger than themselves. The stadium roars, the colorful flags, the chants and songs, they all turn cricket into a celebration of shared heritage. At its core, cricket between India and Pakistan symbolizes hope. Hope that even amidst division, there exists a bridge built not of politics but of passion, not of conflict but of competition, and not of differences but of dreams. Puh. The game is a gentle reminder that while nations may remain apart, people can still connect through the simple, timeless joy of cricket. Cricket, in the context of India and Pakistan, is far more than a contest of skills. It is one of the rare threads that weaves the people of both nations into a shared story. Despite the differences, despite the walls built by politics and history, cricket has time and again proven to be a bridge of understanding, a stage where passion speaks louder than division. Whenever India and Pakistan take the field, millions of people on both sides stop their daily lives and come together to experience the same roller coaster of emotions. In one city, a father may be telling his children stories of Javed Miandad's last ball six in Sharjah, while in another, an Indian grandfather may proudly recall Kapil Dev's fearless leadership. These stories may belong to different nations, yet they echo the same excitement, the same pride, and the same love for cricket. In this way, the sport becomes a shared memory that connects generations across borders. Cricket also builds invisible bridges through admiration and respect. On the other hand, there are players who falter under the pressure and despite their talent are remembered only for the mistakes made in these high-stakes encounters. That is the unforgiving nature of expectations in an India-Pakistan match. But it is also this very pressure that brings out the best in the players. They know that beyond the noise, beyond the criticism, lies the chance to create history. For many, this is the moment they dream of as children, playing in the streets and imagining themselves hitting the winning shot or taking the decisive wicket against their fiercest rivals. Now, on the grand stage of the Asia Cup final, those childhood dreams carry the weight of a nation's hopes. The expectations extend beyond the stadium too. Politicians, celebrities, and even those who do not normally follow cricket suddenly become invested. National pride is tied to the outcome, and the result becomes a talking point for weeks, sometimes years. For fans, victory is not just a sporting triumph. It feels like a statement of superiority, while defeat often feels like heartbreak that lingers far beyond the match itself. The players, therefore, are not just athletes in this contest. They are warriors, representatives of their nation's spirit. Every run, every wicket, every decision carries with it the roar of expectation, pushing them to give more than they thought possible. The pressure is immense, but so too is the opportunity. To stand tall under the heaviest weight, and to be remembered as a hero who rose when it mattered the most. The rivalry between India and Pakistan is built not only on the present moment, but also on the countless memories of past clashes that have defined the history of cricket. Every encounter between these two nations writes a new story, and every generation of fans carries with it the echoes of the matches they grew up watching. These memories are not just statistics on a scoreboard, they are emotions preserved in time. The joy of victory, the pain of defeat, the roar of the crowd, and the silence that follows a turning point. From the very first meetings in Test cricket to the modern-day thrillers, every contest has left its mark. Who can forget the drama of Sharjah in the 1980s and 1990s, where Javed Miandad's last ball six against India in 1986 became one of the most iconic moments in cricketing history? That one shot did not just win a match, it created a memory that still lives in the hearts of Pakistani fans and continues to haunt Indian supporters. Moments like these remind us that in an India-Pakistan match, a single ball can create a legend. Then came the World Cup stage, a platform where India has historically dominated Pakistan. Matches like the 1996 World Cup quarter-final in Bangalore, where RJ Jadeja's fearless batting